There are few things in life more important than your health, and great healthcare is something we all value. Of all the potential benefits arising from services delivered over the National Broadband Network, the opportunity for growth in online healthcare services stands out as one of the biggest. In short, the services provided over the NBN have the potential to allow more of us to more easily access healthcare. It won't matter where you live. All Australians will have the potential to access healthcare services from the comfort of their own home. This could mean that in some cases, neither you nor the specialist will have to travel, but you still get to speak face-to-face. One of the first health professionals in Australia to use fibre broadband services provided over the NBN was Stephen Love of Scottsdale Pharmacy in northeast Tasmania.
I've seen how much better video conferencing is with the National Broadband Network. The National Broadband Network is going to stimulate a lot of interest in the health professions and how they interact with people that allow people to stay in their homes longer before they go into residential aged care.
One of the groups already developing applications to deliver healthcare using broadband services deployed over NBN's fibre is Neuroscience Research Australia, based in Sydney.
So I have a Parkinson's disease patient living in Scott's Head. Every 6 months, he has to travel up to Coffs Harbour for a 10-minute consultation with his neurologist who's flown up from Sydney for the day. That is an entire day trip for that person because he no longer drives, so he has to catch buses. Wouldn't it be fantastic if instead of that day-long trip, he could dial into a video consultation from the comfort of his own living room to interact with his Sydney-based neurologist? That would be fantastic.
The services delivered over the National Broadband Network could do just that, making location less of an issue and encouraging better use of limited health resources. One group leading the way is the Institute for a Broadband-Enabled Society at the University of Melbourne. They're working on totally new ways to train surgeons by combining 3D technology with NBN's high-speed fibre connection.
It's sort of like a flight simulator for surgical training. Surgeons will be able to demonstrate surgical techniques and routines in Melbourne or in Sydney and provide through the network and through 3D TVs those immersive environments to Broken Hill or Mildura or anywhere across the country.
But maybe the biggest rewards will be for our communities and the chance to keep people in their own homes and families together for longer.
The main benefit for us, I think, is that it's letting her still live here and that it's, she's maintaining her independence.
Sally's grandmother, Catherine, even though not yet on the NBN, is using services that are the first step in a potentially significant shift in the delivery of healthcare online. Access to high-speed internet could hasten this shift.
Well, I had to get used to it, and I stuck with it, and that's how I come to like it. You feel if you've got somebody in the place with you.
Our country is huge and with an ageing population, but we all still want and expect great healthcare. The National Broadband Network has the potential to open up new opportunities for us to access online health services. And the great thing, it's not just for some Australians, it's for all of us, wherever we live in this great country. That's a healthy future.